showing off my amazing books. I mean, my new books I got from the library today, okay? So first we have God of Netherland. God of Netherland. Like the devil's. Oh, wait, what? Anyways, Defenders of Lore Novel by Gemma Ray Martinez. Like, Malia Martinez. Anyways, we have #1 New York Times bestselling author of The Stormlight Archive. I can't really read anything because of this, but charming and inventive God of Netherland updates and expands on the mythos of Peter Pan. Okay, doesn't matter. And this magical reimagining of J.M. Barrie's classic tale. Michael Darling, the youngest of the Darling siblings, and former lost boy, now all grown up, must return to the life he left behind to save Netherland from the brink of collapse and keep humanity safe from magical and mythical threats, as well as answer the ultimate question, where is Peter Pan? Peter Pan is missing. Netherland is in trouble. For adults, that might not matter all that much, but for children whose dreams and imagination draw strength from the wild gods' power, the magic we take for granted in the real world is in danger of being lost forever. Such is the life of a now grown-up Michael Darling. Michael returned from Netherland with the dream of continuing his adventuring ways by joining the Knights of the Round, an organization built to keep humanity safe from magical and mythological threats. But after a mission gone terribly wrong, he vowed to leave the Knights behind and finally live as a civilian. He hasn't entered a narrative in years, so what could the Knights need from him? The god of youth, Maponos, or as he's better known, Peter Pan, has gone missing, and Netherland is now on the edge of oblivion. Michael realizes he has no choice and agrees to one last mission. Alongside the young knight Vanessa and some old friends, Michael embarks on the ultimate adventure, a journey to a fantasy world to save a god. Determined to stop evil, fight for Netherland, and find Maponos. Will Michael be able to save the magical and physical world, or will his biggest fear come true? The clock is ticking, and in Netherland, that's never a good sign. Now my next book. We have different kinds of fruit. Yes, we have the non-binary pie flag right here. A beautiful, naive, and loving exploration of identity, very funny and very real. What's more complicated, your friends, your family, or yourself? Annabelle fully expects 5th grade to be the same as every other year. Same teachers, same classmates, same. So no one is more shocked when the first day of school delivers a big surprise. A new kid named Bailey, who has a cute smile and nice hands. How can someone even have nice hands? Turns out 6th grade is going to be anything but the same. And when her father reveals that he and Bailey have something big and surprising in common, Annabelle begins to realize how labels she thought were fixed. Some different, some same, different, boy, girl, gay, straight, and even fruit and vegetable are so clear cut after all. Now my next book cover. A chess match. The last checkmate. Amid the horrors of Asquila, I don't know how to spell that, a young woman plays for her life. A novel. a young Polish resistance worker held in Massachusetts as a political prisoner. Police trust in exchange for her life, and in doing so fights to bring the man who destroyed her family to justice. Maria Forkolska is many things: daughter, Mavid chess player, and as a member of the Polish underground resistance in Nazi-occupied Warsaw, a young woman brave beyond her years. Captured by the Gestapo, she's imprisoned in Massachusetts, but while her family is sent to her death, she is spared, realizing her ability to play chess. The sadistic camp deputy, Karl Fritsch, decides to use her as a chess opponent to entertain the camp guards. However, once he tires of exploiting her skills, he has every intention of killing her. Befriended by a Catholic priest, Maria attempts to overcome her grief, vows to avenge the murder of her family and place for her life. For 4 grueling years, her strategy is simple: live, fight, survive, by clearly provoking vicious volatile nature in front of his superiors. Maria tends to orchestrate his downfall. Only then will she have a chance to evade the death of fate awaiting her and see him punished for his wickedness. As she carries out her plans in the war near its end, she challenges her former nemesis to one final game, certain to end in life or death, in failure or justice. That is, if Maria can bear the fate visits in her past one last time. Oh, the last checkmate. Okay, this is my last book. I think, yeah. Chess and Bridge. The complete step-by-step guide to chess and bridge. Learn how to play classic games of chess and bridge with full step-by-step instructions, techniques, and tactics for players of all ages, skills, and experience. I don't care. Okay, I don't know what that says anyways. Yeah, those are my 4 books. Hope you enjoyed. This is actually a very long video that I had not made in a while. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. And yeah.